Dyson vacuum batteries are sophisticated lithium-ion power sources designed to provide reliable, cordless cleaning performance. Understanding their life cycle and common issues helps you maintain optimal performance. A typical Dyson battery lasts between 3 to 5 years, or approximately 500 full charge cycles. This lifespan can vary significantly based on your usage patterns and maintenance habits. Battery degradation occurs through charge cycles. Each time you fully discharge and recharge your Dyson, you complete one cycle. After about 500 cycles, you'll notice decreased performance. As batteries age, you'll experience common symptoms. Reduced runtime means shorter cleaning sessions. Charging failures prevent the battery from accepting power. Sudden shutdowns occur when the battery can't maintain voltage under load. When your Dyson won't charge, the issue could stem from multiple sources. The charger itself may be faulty, the battery may have reached end of life, or blockages in the vacuum's airway can trigger protective shutdowns. Regular maintenance significantly impacts battery life. Keeping your Dyson clean, storing it at room temperature, and using eco mode when possible can extend battery lifespan by months or even years. Newer Dyson models feature significant improvements in battery technology. Enhanced energy efficiency, better thermal management, and optimized power delivery systems help these batteries last longer and perform more consistently throughout their lifespan. When your Dyson vacuum battery isn't holding a charge, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take before considering a replacement. First, check for blockages in your vacuum. Hair, dust, and debris can clog the airways and cause the motor to work harder, draining the battery faster. Next, test your charger to ensure it's providing adequate voltage. A faulty charger is often the culprit behind charging issues, not the battery itself. Sometimes, resetting your battery can restore performance. This involves completely draining the battery, then fully recharging it to recalibrate the battery management system. If troubleshooting doesn't solve the problem, it's time to replace the battery. You can choose between original Dyson batteries or third-party alternatives. Replacing a Dyson battery is typically a simple do-it-yourself task. Most models require just a few screws to be removed and the old battery swapped out. To extend your battery life, store your Dyson at room temperature and use eco mode when possible. These simple practices can significantly increase battery longevity. By following these troubleshooting steps and maintenance practices, you can maximize your Dyson battery's performance and lifespan, ensuring your vacuum continues to work effectively.